There it is, the panel's coming together really nice. Wow, you know, you would think that this is something that's quick and easy to do. I wouldn't say it's hard, but it takes a lot of time because you know, there's so many wires. You see all that bus wire right there into that bus, and then you got wires on each side right there, each of the legs, and then you gotta make the wires nice and neat, and you have to figure out how you're gonna make all that wire fit, and hopefully don't use any extension because look, no extension. It fits perfectly. So guys, don't go cheap when you are hiring a contractor to help you with this, because the good contractor will do a really good job and it makes a difference. They take their time, they torque everything down to spec, they make sure that the wires are labeled correctly, and they trim it. Like if there's like a small piece that was already damaged, they'll trim it to make sure that it fits really, really well. So all that attention to detail so that you can have a smooth running smart home panel installation that will last you decades, for a very, very long time. The battery, now these are going to last a very long time too, because these are the lithium iron phosphate battery with really good battery management system. This is the new EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X with the beautiful display. We've actually been using it as like a small power, or rather a big power bank. We're just running 120 out right here to power our lights, because as they're installing the smart home panel, our power in our home is off and it's getting kind of dark. So it's nice to have this unit here. You can connect the batteries to the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X, and this is the latest generation, which is really nice because it can output 12 kilowatt of power, which is the 12 kilowatt hour of power. Wait, that's capacity. Yeah, 12 kilowatt. So it outputs 12 kilowatt of power with one EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X. Before, you couldn't output that much power. You would need multiple EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra together. This is the X version. So this is the updated version, and it has more power output. So one EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X is enough to power my whole home, even though you are running like AC and other things, and it's able to do startup for ACs with no soft starter needed. So it's very powerful. And the way that the smart home panel is designed now, it's just a much smoother installation so that you can have someone come over, install it. It's more or less a standard installation, and they can get this done in about 7 days, including scheduling. I mean, this is a one-day job for these guys. There's two people. They were able to replace my sub panel, put in the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3. We're pretty much finishing up right now. They're running this cable down here. That's the L1 and L2 leg. That is for the battery box, and that battery box is where the smartness happens, because then that will connect to the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X right here. And it does come with the wheels, and it's nice to be able to move around because it's not heavy once it's on the wheel, but each of these components are heavy. I do like that, the fact that you can break them down and carry each component individually. I still need somebody to help me carry each one because it's really, really heavy, but nonetheless, it's doable. And I love it because now, if I ever need to, I can just take this and put it on my truck and go camping with it, or take it to a job site and have power, or take it to a recording studio where they're filming in the woods or whatever. You get my point. It's a modular, movable battery power bank, just like these ones right here, but just much bigger. And because it's modular, I can bring just this, and I have access to 120 volt right there through standard outlets, or I can get 120 or 240 over the 30 amp outlet right there, or I can get the 120 or 240 over the 50 amp outlet right there. So it's quite flexible. And then I can connect multiple batteries. And here's one thing that's very unique about this design. You see how the battery is very connected, but in a very nice, simplified manner. Whereas the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X right here connects to this battery, and then this battery is then daisy chained to this battery. That works well if you are not demanding too much power out of this. If you need a lot of power output, they do include this wire, this cable. And this cable is for just connecting directly to the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X. So this right here can connect to this battery, and then this cable here will then connect to this other battery port that will directly connect to the bottom battery. That way you'll have more power accessibility, and it works true when you have multiple batteries, because you get this having two inputs from the battery banks to the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X is what allows you to have the extra power boost. And again, the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X is not just the next iteration, but it's a game changer because it allows you that 12 kilowatt power output that pretty much any home is happy with. You don't really need more than 12 kilowatt of power. Well, maybe you do if you have a huge home, and that's where you can actually connect multiple EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X, because if you see the box that they're installing, that's called the battery box, and you see there's 3 ports on it, so you can connect up to 3 of these EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X. That's just crazy. So it looks like the installation is wrapping up, doing the last bit of wiring to the battery box, and then we should be able to close up and actually set this thing up to run as my power arbitrage system, so I can take power from the grid at night when it's cheaper to charge the battery, and then use the battery to power my home during the day when normally electric is expensive, but I'm not paying electric from the grid during the day because I'm using the battery where it's stored and charged up at night. And the EcoFlow, the whole smart panel system right here figures it all out, so I don't have to worry about switching the power, and when it does switch, it's seamless, so you don't even notice it's switching from battery to grid power or grid power to battery. It's perfect. And also, now that I have the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X with the Smart Home Panel 3, I will never have to worry about being in a blackout situation, because when the power on the grid goes out, I will always have battery backup. At least with this 2 battery, that's 12 kilowatt hour capacity. That's gonna last me at least a day, maybe a day and a half, depending on how much you use it. And you can stack up to like 5 or 6 batteries per EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X. And then of course you can have multiple EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X for I think a total of 30 or 36 kilowatt hour. It's just crazy. 36 kilowatt hour capacity is a ton. Anyway, that is the installation so far. Super excited. It's going along really well. We did struggle with a little bit of running out of slack on the white wire here, but they were able to make it happen. So super happy to see that everything is going so smooth.